Ali, focus. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Today is going to be a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way how to add Voronoi effect. Did I say it right? In Affinity photo. Let's jump in right now. So I've got a photo ready. Only thing you have to do is very quick and easy. You have to go to the live filter and then drop down next to difference, halftone and vignette. You have Voronoi effect. So that's the preset you already have. Now you can control it, depends on how you like it. Whether you make the cell size a lot bigger like that, it's totally up to you. You also can make the space in between bigger or smaller, which is pretty simple. Check this out. So personally, I like them slightly bigger in both sides, but you have to be careful. I mean, at the end of the day, it's totally up to you how you like your effect. But personally, what I like, it's similar to my logic behind Gaussian blur, which means that I want to be able to understand the subject even though I used a heavy Voronoi effect. So what I mean, I like to have it a lot less than what it is, enough to have the effect but not too much to make the subject disappear. That's it. So I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If so, please do like and subscribe. It will help me a lot to create these kind of videos. Look after yourself, please do, and bye bye.